So I have the Apple Watch SE3, and let me show you how to retrace your steps with Backtrack on your Apple Watch. So this feature is built into the Compass app. So if you press on the crown once to go to the main menu, and then scroll and find the Compass application, this is it right here. So you want to tap on that app to launch it. So that's your compass. It shows you the direction that you're facing and the direction that you're going. Now, if you go to the bottom right corner, you will see this icon here. So you want to tap on that. And that's where the Backtrack feature is. It says Apple Watch can record your path and help you retrace it if you get lost. So anytime you feel like you're on a trail, maybe going somewhere or jogging, and you think or you suspect you might get lost, you want to go to this function and tap on record path, and it's going to start recording your path. So anywhere you go, as you move around, it keeps a record of your path. And if you suspect you're lost and you want to track your way back, you simply tap on this and then select retrace path. Be careful not to delete. Okay, so this is how you can retrace your path. So basically, this is you in the middle and you're trying to get to this spot with a blue dot there. Okay, so you just try and move towards that dot, and as you move, your watch will let you know if you're actually facing that direction or if you're going in the wrong direction. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. Now I'm gonna have to go and do it out on a real track so I can show you exactly how that works. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.